I want you to pretend you're really stupid. Explore 15 amazing worlds.
So I need to write amazing subjects, direct amazing subjects.
I would say like, no, like it's like, okay, what does that mean? It's explore 15 amazing worlds like inside the book or like in throughout the pages or just, I feel like it just, you need a little bit more to tie them in. But like A plus, so much better. Big questions, amazing visual answers, build brilliant minds, jumbo size, 15 subjects. Okay, this part could be better. So your copywriting could still be better. This is good. Big question. It could be better. That could be stronger still. You don't want to have this stuff here yet.
Okay.
It should be like big text and then a slightly less big text, but way bigger than this stuff. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Right.
This is really good. This, like, I feel like explore 15 amazing worlds. We need to just tie it into like the book, something like that. Or it's like, yeah, I think like it could be a bit more. You got your Q4 stuff going on here. I would maybe change the color of the bow to red.
Okay.
Okay, just because red will pop off the page more because you don't have a lot of red here, and so that bow will pop out, right? Usually not a big fan of having reviews in the A plus because it's like it takes up a whole module that you could be using to sell more of the book. However, you got the whole teacher thing here, and I'm a fan of that. You should be using this teacher testimonial or review as an editorial review that would like go right in here.